Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add a Facebook account on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen and go to Settings and Privacy. From there, tap on Account Center and click Profiles. This is where you'll find all your Facebook and Instagram accounts that are associated with your Meta Account Center. So right now, my Instagram and Facebook is currently synced, so let me just unsync it so I can demonstrate to you the process or the steps that. Okay, there you go. So from here, click any account. You can click Facebook or Instagram and click your name again at the bottom and just toggle the button on to turn on the sync and confirm that you want to sync your profile info. And that's how you can easily add your Facebook account on Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!